I'm Brayden with Varta RV, and this is our brand new 2026 Jayco Seneca XT 35L. This 37-foot motorhome is the perfect balance of luxury and affordability on an F-600 diesel chassis. Now, coming to the camping side of the unit, you can see we've got a beautiful full body paint job on this Seneca, standard on the Seneca XT. Plenty of storage doors and drawers. Also right here, I've got a tankless on-demand suburban water heater, and hiding in this compartment is an outdoor TV with a JBL sound system. So this is a Super C motorhome that's significantly more compact than a Freightliner chassis because we're on a Ford F-600 all-wheel drive chassis. But still, when you come up and you look at the front, we've got a giant cab over space that we can use as an extra bedroom or storage. I've still got plenty of seating. I've got a dinette and theater seats in this living room with a television TV and a JBL soundbar. The kitchen in this Seneca is beautiful with the two-tone real wood cabinetry and solid surface countertops. I also have an induction electric cooktop and a convection microwave oven. We also have a single pan farmhouse sink with a faucet that is removable, and you can spray off your dishes very conveniently. Coming over to the refrigerator, we have a gigantic residential Samsung refrigerator with French doors and a freezer drawer down below. You can see we have a super spacious shower here with plenty of headroom, beautiful shower faucets here, and all Jaycos have a structurally supported shower pan, so you don't ever have to worry about that separating or causing a leak over time. Still plenty of space when you head over to the bathroom too. I've got a porcelain toilet, got a medicine cabinet. I've got lots and lots of doors and drawers in here to have plenty of storage for anything I'm taking out on the road. Now coming back to the bedroom, you can see we have a power tilt king bed. Plenty of doors and drawers for storage and hanging clothes. Also have an electric fireplace in the bedroom to make sure this is the coziest room in the RV. And down here in the bottom right corner, it does come with a combo washer and dryer unit. There's plenty of special things about the Seneca XT, going from the Starlink it comes standard on board and its EQ auto leveling system, but my favorite part about it is that it's on a Ford F-600 chassis with a 6.7 diesel engine in it. It makes it a significantly more affordable unit to one that's on a Freightliner. I still got a massive towing capacity of 12,000 pounds, and also it's on an all-wheel drive steering system, so I don't really have to worry about situations where it may get stuck or have trouble like if you're in a big Freightliner unit. I think the Ford F-600 chassis is a great addition to Jayco's motorhome lineup. Thank you for checking out our video again. Again, my name is Brayden with Varta RV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.